So I just did my eyebrows, and now I'm about to clean them up and do a natural look or whatever. I'm not even gonna say that. Girl, whatever look comes out today, it's just gonna come out. I like being, creative and whatever comes to my mind, I just like to do. I don't like to have like a scheduled theme or what I'm gonna do, girl. So I don't even know what I'm doing. It's just that creative side of me that don't want to be like restricted in doing this look or that look. I just want to play in makeup as usual, as really girls do. Okay, so anyway, just that's watch the video. And now I just did my lids with my foundation, Fit Me 360. My Fit Me powder and conceal underneath my eyebrows. I'm only putting the powder underneath my eyebrows. As far as my lid, I'm leaving it tacky. So I'm about to go in with my Morphe palette. I believe this is the 35M. Yeah, that's what it is. I just looked. I'm going to use this color here, these two colors here, all over my lid. I put the Maybelline Fit Me and 40 concealer on my lids. So right now I'm just focusing on packing on the color on my lid, and then once I pack everything on there, I'm gonna blend. So I'm putting this color right here on top. Maybe these two right on top of the lids with my finger. So right now I just have a clean brush and I'm just blending everything right now. this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I'm trying my best to upload every Wednesday and Saturday. So what you guys think about that? Every Wednesday or Saturday, or like Tuesday and Saturday? I don't know. But I would like to do it at least twice a week. And I might do, some type of hair tutorial so it could be like 3 times a week. So you guys, just let me know, what would you like to see me, what will be best, if it's Wednesdays and Saturdays or Tuesdays and Saturdays. Just let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel. Every view, I truly appreciate it. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace, love, and happiness. Bye.